Right. Okay, back again. We've caught our imaginary fish from our fishing kit that you've seen. I've fitted into my FERROFIRE Survival XXL tool. There's plenty of room in there. I could even put extra little hooks, make some more small floats, things like that in there. We need to cook our fish. We know from previous videos that we've got a ferro rod in here, but as you know, I've got no tinder because I've got my fishing kit in there. But have I got no tinder? Let's take a look. There's that much space in the FERROFIRE Survival XXL. What I have done, what have I done? I've chopped up small sticks of fat wood. So the options are, I can use the ceramic scraper to scrape the fat wood, ignite it, start with a small fire, collect some twigs and get a fire going. Or in a survival situation, what have you got in your pockets? Now I will carry different things to what you will carry because of being an outdoors person. I'm always here, I'm always making fire. So reach in my pocket, what have I got? I've got some jute twine I can use. Let's have a look in the other pocket, see what I've got. Oh, there's a bit of lint from the dryer. So we'll get this lint from the dryer. There we go. And so we don't lose our fat wood, we can stick them all in the back there, look. Smells nice, all that resin from the pine. I'm going to now take this off my wrist because I'm no longer fishing. I might just take a couple of small pieces out and then holding my striker, the ceramic striker, I'll fluff this lint up a bit more. There we go. I'll get my fat wood sticks on there. As you can probably see, the fat wood is now burning. But you haven't got any lint. You've not been that lucky to find any lint in the bottom of your pocket. So, like I said, I've got jute twine because I'm an outdoorsman. You've got some jute twine cordage. You can fluff it up. You can use the jute twine. So, get another couple of pieces of fat wood ready. Like so. I'll use my striker. And there we are. The jute twine's going. And place our fat wood on top. Right, so you're out and you haven't found any lint in your pocket. You haven't got any jute twine. What do most people carry in the pocket from day to day? I'm going to reach into my pocket now. I've got a tissue. So I'm going to rip this tissue up. What I want to do is expose all those fine fibres on the sides. And then what I need to do now is fluff all this up. And of course, I've still got plenty more fat wood sticks left. You can see I've already lit 2 fires. That one's still burning. that's the amount of fat wood you can carry around this rod. It's fantastic. So, using our striker again, I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of those back in the lid. Finger on the end so we don't lose our fat wood. And there we go, a couple of strikes. And put our fat wood on the top. And that should start going. Yep, it's caught. Because the fat was chopped so thinly, as you can see by these sticks, they're just a bit thicker than matches. It gets going no problem. So that's 3 fires we've made with the amount of fat wood we can store in the FERROFIRE Survival XXL. And I could have put some more in there, so that's 3 fires I've got going, and I've got 2 more sticks left as well. And as you could see from this fire that we used with the jute twine to get that going, it burnt long enough to then find some more sticks that you would have ready beside your fire to get your fire going. Then you could cook your fish, you can boil water and stay warm. So if you like this survival tool, which I do, I think it's fantastic, check out ferrofire.com and you'll see these survival tools on there. They also sell some other different ferro rods as well. Also, with your survival tool, you do have the option to get the survival tool like this one. And also, I mentioned in another video, the ferro rods are interchangeable, so you can buy more ferro rods, so this survival tool will last you a lifetime. You can also have the option to buy the survival tool with 2 ferro rods to start with as well. And it is a 10mm ferro rod. It's a very thick ferro rod, as you can see by the size of my finger. So I think it said something like 12 to 15,000 fires, strikes that you'll get from this ferro rod. So I've got my 2 pieces of fat wood left. I'm going to store them in there. And that's it. All done. I've had 3 fires, I've cooked my fish, I've stayed warm. And thank you for watching Simon Outdoors. Like I say, ferrofire.com. Go check them out.